Hi, I'm Guy. I'm talking about how to download the free network analyzer for Android. You get that free network analyzer from Jiri, and there's several sources. I've got a Google document that has the list, okay? If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, that list is there I've got 4 different locations where you can download it. Mostly Android apps, you want to get them from the Google Play Store because they've got a better than most job of testing them. Make sure they're secure and so forth. So the reason that you get the network analyzer, and there's a number of reasons, but the reason that I get it is to test the strength of the Wi-Fi signal at various locations around the house to make sure I've got the router and the Wi-Fi router and the satellites thereof in the best locations. Okay, so I'm getting optimal performance, and that's the tool that you use. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.